Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Mobile on your personal computer. First, you'll need to select a trustworthy Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks or Nox Player. Make sure your computer meets the emulator's minimum specifications, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. Once you've chosen, proceed to download and install the emulator software onto your system. After installation, launch the emulator and complete its initial setup, which usually involves a quick guided tour. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Google account, just as you would on a new Android phone. This step grants you access to the Google Play Store. From there, simply search for the Roblox application and install it directly within the emulator environment. Now, it's time to optimize your experience. Head into the emulator settings to configure keyboard and mouse controls, mapping actions to your preferred keys for seamless gameplay. For better performance, consider allocating at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to the emulator. Adjusting graphics settings can also significantly enhance your visual experience. With everything set up, navigate to the emulator's home screen and launch the Roblox application. You can then log in using your existing Roblox account or easily create a brand new one if you're new to the platform. Now you're all set to enjoy countless Roblox mobile games, experiencing them with the comfort and precision of your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.